Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? I hope you're doing well. Um, today is Thursday, February the 25th. I'm coming to you from an Insta360 1R with the 1-inch Leica lens, which means that it's a 5.7K video. I know these little suckers are waterproof, and I've put it through water twice already. Matter of fact, one of them was in here also, but the water was extremely hot, so I didn't want to leave it underwater that much. I was going to show you the Insta360 1X2. 1X2, yeah. I don't know why they named them such weird names, but anyway. Hopefully my voice is coming out okay. There's not a gurgling noise with the jacuzzi. It's not a cold morning. It's a tad windy, and the wind is coming out of the southeast area. It is cool, and that's what's kind of weird about it, because usually wind from the south are usually coming in from either the Baffin Bay area or Houston area, or all the way down to the Rio Grande Valley. We're currently located here in Austin, Texas, but the wind is coming out of the southeast, which normally is supposed to be warm wind, but it's not. And for the month of February, I guess maybe it's not supposed to be. I was kind of hoping it would. I was getting tired of the cold weather. I mean, we don't get a lot of cold weather. We haven't gotten a lot of cold weather within these past few years, but compared to what happened last week, because last week was a very serious one. I mean, even I drive around in my truck at night, and my truck the truck heater couldn't even work on this thing. That's how cold it was. And mine's a brand new 2021 Chevy diesel Duramax, and still it wouldn't heat up the way it's supposed to. Now I'm noticing that there's about a dent. Here, let me try to wipe the lens. There we go. Maybe even put it underwater a little bit. There we go. Maybe that'll fix it a little bit. We had a serious storm last week. Most of the Austin area still looks burned. The trees are burned. The grass is burned. And everything looks brown. Because everything burned up. It's close to this. All the plants. A lot of piping. A lot of these new subdivisions that have pipes, they're all burnt. They're all froze. They didn't use the old traditional way of just putting a little faucet on just so it could just trickle of water, so it wouldn't freeze. It was pretty bad. I'm throwing water into the lens because it doesn't look very well if you got that fog in it and stuff. Anyways, I wanted to show you, where is it? have it here. Okay. I have here the Insta360. Insta360 1X2. You can see that. Insta360 1X2. Oh my God, the wind is blowing. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on. You can see. Now this is also waterproof. You know, it would say that it wasn't, but it is waterproof. I'm gonna dip it underwater real quick, and I'm gonna record. I want to make sure that I'm on vlog mode and not on 360. Because I want to do a little bit of recording. And now it's recording, and you can see where it'll be showing the little red dot. And pretty much the red dot. And just for most of you who haven't really seen the camera go underwater, it pretty much just goes underwater, you know, and it is waterproof. In comparison to the Insta360 1X, which is the one. The 1X is not waterproof. The 1X2 is waterproof, because I can dip it underwater. This is a wonderful camera. I didn't have very high hopes about it, but I did like it after all. And I'm gonna pause it for now because it's another one. Anyways, I put it back in the sand. I'm gonna dip my head underwater a little bit here. Because the outside air is cold. Or cool. No, cold. I'm gonna say cold. It's not really cool. Southeast winds out of Houston area or Baffin Bay area or all the way down the Rio Grande Valley. That's where the winds are coming from. It's so cool. So while I go underwater, you can just give me a few seconds. Anyways, I always wanted to show off the Insta360 1X2. I've made videos on it, but you don't actually get to see it. You only take my word for it that it's a 1X2. Well, as of today, I showed you that it's a 1X2, and I dipped it underwater because it's waterproof. It's a wonderful little camera. I didn't expect. I would have loved it. Would have had different choices, maybe 6K instead of 5.7. I would have loved it. It had something different, not just the waterproofness, not just the ruggedness, not just the LCD screen, but something different. You know, make it a higher standard, you know, higher capability type of camera. But I do gotta admit, in comparison between the GoPro 360 Max, the GoPro Max 360, the Insta360 1X2 goes beyond that. It's a lot better than the GoPro, or it's because the artificial intelligence that's built into the camera from the app, from the application from the phone, makes it do wonders. In my particular case, the Mac version, the Apple version, the iMac desktop version, I'm able to do a lot of things with it in comparison to the iMac version of the GoPro. The GoPro, it's just a player. It can't really do too much with it. Most of the reframe that you would do on a GoPro would have to be on an application on the phone, either an Android or an Apple. On this particular case, I can run it through the home desktop, which is the iMac Pro desktop, and I can do deep scanning. I can do I can do the reframe, not just the ordinary thing. So that's probably the only difference that I can see of what might be going on. But enough about cameras. We had a quiet night at the ranch. As I said, it was pretty windy. Wind was southeast. Here at the ranch in Lago Vista, Texas, which is where the ranch is at. Nothing unusual, just the normal coyotes always howling all night. We're hoping that the onions that we planted will not burn. Now, we've added some fertilizer and we've added more water, and I think we saved them. We'll know in a few more weeks. And I'm noticing that the fields are turning green again, because they were turning white because the plant was pretty much burned with the cold weather. But it's starting to turn back to the normal green again. It was still a baby onion. So we're gonna see how that one works out. Hopefully it should be good. Other than that, social distancing, the death rate has gone down. Although a friend of mine announced on his Facebook that his girl cousin had passed away last night out of COVID-19, and her mother had already passed away a week before. So let's just say her mother had passed away 2 weeks ago, COVID-19, and then now the daughter passed away last night with COVID-19. Our condolences goes out to the Cruz family. Wow, the jacuzzi turned up. Condolences go out to the Cruz family for the tragic, unneeded death of their family members due to COVID-19. It's very sad. I lost a few friends myself. I had COVID-19 July the 2nd to the July the 26th of last year. I was dying. I was in bad shape. But those are previous videos that you're welcome to watch. But I am noticing that the deaths on the COVID-19 is going down. Still, I have a feeling like if the government wants to control us, wants to put panic and fear into the minds of the American people, it did scare me at one time. Of course, I had the virus, and I knew I was very close to dying, but I was able to pull through. I was strong and able to pull through. So, anyways, enough about me. Y'all maintain your social distancing and make sure you attend the church, attend the Christian church of your choice, and stay close to God, and always pray that your family members will always come out and overcome this deadly virus. For now, I'm going to go ahead and just log it out. You all have a good day, and God bless.